Hi, the Mitts from My Life Mint. Thank you so much for stopping by. I recently went to the 100 yen shop, which is kind of like a dollar store, and there were so many things. I needed to actually pick up some stuff for a friend, and so a lot of this is not my stuff, but I wanted to share with you before I send it off. So let's just tackle this pack. I'm going to quickly show you. I think sometimes it's fun to share with you my hauls, and I hope you don't mind the videos. I don't mean to like show off or anything like that. That's not my intent. I just wanted to share with you the happy mail, I guess. So I'm just gonna pick from the pile here. This is some message cards, and you can write messages. I like these. I use these in my Hobonichi Techo. I also like these for their intended use, which is to write messages, and sometimes I'll write like thank you for your order or something like that. So there's the tomatoes there. I think the theme right now maybe is vegetables. There were a lot of these kind of vegetables. I think a lot of people are gardening, staying at home. So here is another one, a message card. These are just sticky notes. I use them often. And another part of the vegetable, or yeah, I guess the vegetable series. These ones are pockets. They're mini envelopes, and you can stick them inside if you want to, or you can stick ephemera pieces or maybe stamps or something. Sticker flakes I do often. I stick sticker flakes inside. This one is nice because it comes with these stickers that close the envelope as well. Just some more. These are just plain cards. Great for writing little memos. This one is cute. It's just a memo pad. And they have, is this a character over there? I don't know. I've never really seen this character before. Maybe it is on TV. I'm not sure. I haven't seen it before, but there's that one. It's really, really cute. Sorry, back to the vegetable theme. This is another one, but this is a letter set. So it has envelopes, and it even has paper for you to write something small, and then it even has stickers to close the envelopes as well. So very, very cute. And all of this is for 100 yen, which is $1, which is crazy. I think the stuff that's available in the 100 yen shops are amazing. This one, I think this is my second pack. I like these in my Hobonichi Techo as well. I think I did one actually previous or recently using the stickers somewhere. There it is. They're nice and big sized, that I can write something about the day. These are just some stickers. You can, pop them in your journal or decorate the envelopes and things like that. There's various designs, and there's, I think, 124 stickers. It's a lot. Same with the vegetable theme. These are just a sticker sheet. Really, really cute. I'm going to keep going a little bit quicker now. This one, I think, these stickers are transparent, which is nice. And this one is a sticky memo, but it stands up. This is called omuraisu in Japanese. This yellow part is an egg, and then on the inside is like fried rice. And then on this brown thing is kind of like gravy. They call it demi-glace sauce. And yeah, it's really yummy. I'm not very good at making this yellow part. Actually, I'm not very good at cooking at all. This one is just a simple pocket. Actually, there's 3 of them in there. You can stick this part in your cover, and then you can slide in tickets and stubs and things like that. Oh, there's an example. more of these message cards similar to these ones here. You can just write a quick message, and they're really great for Happy Mail as well because there's 20 pieces and you can split them up. Some sticky notes. Yeah, they're just, I thought they were cute. I don't think I would use it for the specific parts, like the specific points, but they're just cute, so yeah. And then Daiso. Oh, wait, let me finish off. Actually, I think the remaining is from Daiso, maybe. Actually, these two are not. Sorry, I'm just gonna... There's more of the just regular notes or message cards. I already threw away the packaging for this, but this is what I mean about... So I already have an open pack. This is what I mean about the sticker flakes, like the big ones here. They're nice and big that you can write on them and stick them on in your journals. These ones are good for like Happy Mail and things because there's like messages already written on them. So I will keep these to send to my friends. And then they had little twin stars, so cute. These are tape cutters, so you put your washi tape on just like you see in the image here, and then you can just tear it off like that. I haven't used them, but they're just so cute. I think if I were to have these on my washi tapes, my daughter would definitely use them, and that's I have my washi tapes wrapped on cards in my Hobonichi Techo, but so cute. And I'm not too sure why I bought this one. I thought they would be good for sticker flakes because the sticker flakes are usually smaller and a little bit more delicate, so I thought it would be a good size to house them in these little pouches. And this is also little twin stars. It says you can put paper clips and little beads and maybe like a key if you need to. And these ones are already opened. I've used them before. They're just little memo pads and they're in different colors. There's the green, pink, and blue, and they're just strawberry jam. And they don't stick, they're not sticky paper, they're just regular note paper. And same with this one, the strawberry parfait, I guess. There's purple and yellow and blue. And they're, you can just rip them out and write little messages or use them in your Hobonichi Techo like I have in the past. So there's that 100 yen shop. And then Daiso, oh my gosh, I wanted to buy everything from Daiso. They had a lot of stuff. They had a whole bunch of stickers, and I only bought these ones here, but there's pretty flowers with gold foil. And some of the sticker sheets have 2 full sheets in them, which is amazing. The value, they're so cute too. I think they would be good for like for journaling and for your planner. They're nice and they're not too big. But the fact that they have 2 sheets really amazes me. Like, this one is so cute. I don't have a dog or any pets right now, but I could easily see myself using these even if I'm not like a pet owner. And there's 2 sheets too, so that's really nice. This one is so cute. This one is just 1 sheet, but you can see here. I don't know who's designing for Daiso, but they really upped their stationery stickers. This one is also 2 sheets and these little cute cats. I can't believe it. This one is animals. Sorry, I'm trying to get the sheets down, but let me see if I can. There we go. So cute, eh? Then they also had a lot of sticker flakes I couldn't decide. So I've never used these ones before. Hopefully you can see that. I think I'm going to open some up and use them in my Hobonichi Techo. These ones are, so this is a cat version. and the dog version, and there's just so many variety. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 different stickers, and then I think there's multiple of 8s, right? So there's 8 different sticker types and 10 pieces each. Really? Wow. That's a really great value. This one is the one for hamsters. This one has 56 pieces. So there's 14 different designs with 4 stickers each. These are little cute hamsters. More stickers here. This one is also 48. These are a little bit bigger. I'm assuming you can write on them. There's that in the back. It's really great for summer. And then this one is the cat one with 56 pieces. It's kind of like similar to the hamster one, but I'm just amazed at how Daiso has, like, I haven't gone to their store in a while, but to be honest, I'm not really a fan of going to the 100 shops because it's so busy all the time. But yeah, I wanted to pick up some things for my friend, and yeah, I thought I would share with you before I ship these off. Some of these stuff, of course, I'm using for myself, but I wanted to quickly pop on here and share with you the sticker haul and note card haul. And I don't know, back in Canada, there used to be everything for a dollar store, which closed a long time ago, and then there was a Dollarama, which I think is still around, but when I left they had a lot of stuff that was for like $5, or it was no longer only $1. And I remember when my sister visited me, this was several years ago, she brought something from the dollar store. It was like activity books for kids, and I was really amazed at how the quality of things that they sell at the 100, or I was going to say 100 yen, but the dollar store, I guess they've really upped their game, or in Japan anyways. You can see all this beautiful stuff for 100 yen, which is amazing. I think I should, when I can, I'll try and visit again. Like I said, I'm not a big fan because it's always so busy, and there's always a long winding lineup to pay, and so I'm not a fan of being in there. And it's like a smaller 100 yen shop that you go upstairs, and there's no like open windows or anything like that, so I'm not a big fan of it. But I was very happy to see all of these goodies there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are staying safe where you are. There's a lot of uncertainty and unrest in the world, but I hope you can find something positive in your everyday life. Please stay strong, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.